Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Tally Invoice Easy Guide. Open Tally Prime and choose your company, then press V to create a sales voucher and pick the invoice format. Enter the party ledger, add items with quantities and unit rates, and apply GST or other taxes as needed. Check totals and narration, preview the invoice on screen, then save and print or export to PDF for sharing with your customer. Start by making customer and sales ledgers so billing details are accurate and consistent. Add inventory items with units and default rates to speed up invoice entry and reduce mistakes. Create tax ledgers for CGST, SGST, or IGST based on whether the sale is within the state or interstate. These setups keep totals correct and help invoice generation run smoothly, so every invoice is ready to save or export without last-minute edit. When creating an invoice, pick the sales voucher and fill in the invoice number and customer SO address and GST populate automatically. Add item lines, input quantities, rates, and any discounts, then confirm taxes calculate correctly. Use preview to check layout, terms, and narration before saving. Finally, print or export the invoice to PDF and send it to your customer, keeping a copy in your records for reconciliation and bookkeeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.